Okay, I am going to give you my tip for the food grinder. So you see this lovely bag? It's just a normal bag. I actually just open it from here to here. And it's just an opening. The reason why I'm doing that is because I'm sick and tired of this meat bleeding everywhere and splashing everywhere. So I am going to open this. Let's see if I can actually do it with one hand. Of course, not always that easy. I should have thought about that before. Okay, so it's open. And you see, there's an opening here, but it's not completely open. What I do is I just put it here, upside down, with the opening down, like this. And I seal this part. So it's basically like a little glove for this. I know, very rudimentary, but it works. So here we are. We are going to start grinding meat. So here's the meat, and here it goes. So just give it a minute, because it always does. So see, starts grinding. I love that part. I love my food grinder. What I don't love is when it starts splashing blood. Okay, so it's in two, and you can actually see already. Okay. This is how it goes, just with my bowl. And you can tell. Can you see those little speckles? Yeah. This can actually go anywhere. But it's sticking there. Very simple. We all have bags. Any bag will do. And yes, all those lovely juices now, they go down instead of anywhere else. I guess this works for everything that grinds. Okay. I hope I didn't bore you. Have fun. Grind everything you want. Meat should be as cold as you can, so it's easier to grind. And at the end of everything, to clean this out, grab a piece of bread, a slice of bread, run it through. It will take all the grease out. Of course, you can keep it in the little bag, sealed, and throw that out. Easy to clean. Okay, there we go. Well, thank you again. And we're out.